Hello student, again welcome. We are taking in this video MCQs of this lesson, right? Here it's actually a paragraph reading, and then after this is the answer, but we can use it a MCQ too. Suppose number 1, what had those students not done with whom Peggy and Maddie said? उसमें A है they had not done their homework, B they had not tracked in mud, they had not talked with Wanda, and D they had not been punished by their teachers. तो इसमें आएगा B they had not tracked in mud. Number 2, Days had curly hair. किसके हेयर करली थे? वांडा के थे, मेडी के थे, पेगी के थे, क्या पेट्रोनस के थे? तो सी पेगी के थे, बराबर. नंबर 3, पेगी एंड मेडी नोटिस वांडा's absent because A they were waiting for Wanda's to come but she didn't come. B they were waiting for each other. C they were waiting for their teachers to come. D they were thinking but bunked their classes. तो उसमें आएगा A they were waiting for Wanda to come to school but she didn't come. Number 4, Days Wanda had been the frequent practice of Peggy and Maddie. A waiting for, B making fun, C calling by names to, and D learning lesson from. तो making fun of Wanda had been the frequent practice of Peggy and Maddie. तो B आएगा making of fun of. What kind of nature of Wanda would you derive from the words her eyes dull and her mouth closed? Tolerant, reserved, cruel कि एमिकेबल. तो बेचारी वो टॉलरेंट थी, सब उसको परेशान किया था. नंबर 2, what funny gesture of Wanda is mentioned in this passage. ये जो पैसेज है जिसकी ये MCQ है, उसमें उसका कौन सा नेचर बताया है? तो उसमें आएगा D, she hitched her for shoulder every now and then. ये सब उसके जेस्चर्स है. कौन से? She stammered while speaking, she walked to school and back alone, she walked limping, or she hitched her left shoulder every now and then. तो उसमें आएगा D, she hitched her shoulder every now and then. इस तरह से यहाँ ये 16 MCQs लिए, उसका आप ठीक से अभ्यास करना. ये फिलिंग द ब्लैंक से लेकर ट्रू और फेल्स सब में काम आते हैं, बराबर. ओके बाय, सी यू.